Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Satish back again with another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. And today we have a video on the Royal Enfield Classic's loudest exhaust. And the thing over here is this is a 1985 model. And I prefer you guys to not go for aftermarket exhaust on the present versions of the Royal Enfield motors. Today's Royal Enfield Classic is all about refinement. If you install aftermarket exhausts on it, you may not get that refined feel. So that's the reason I'm saying this. It's all left to you guys. It's just my opinion. So now without wasting much time, let's start the vlog. And please show some love in forms of likes, shares and comments, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching the video till the end guys. Hope you all liked it. And do show some love in forms of likes, shares and comments, and do subscribe to my channel, and also comment on what kind of videos you guys want me to do. So till the next time, see you all. Bye bye. Take care.